give a shout out to Megamac Computer Services. We know that it's time where kids are going back to school or preparing to go back to school, especially the transition between primary school to secondary school because it's a new school year. So we just want to give Megamac Computer Services a shout out and remind you that if you are in need of a desktop, whether it's a new desktop or a new laptop, you can give them a call. Or also if you have a desktop or a laptop that need repairs and you know you're gonna be needing it for that school term, feel free to reach out to Megamac Computer Services. Alright, they're affordable, reliable, and definitely secure. And one of the best parts is he does households, alright? So you don't have to be too concerned about how to get to him or how to get your device to him, especially in these times. So you can just contact him and he will smooth those things out with you. His number is 733-6157 or 330-8791, alright? That's Megamac Computer Services, and you can also check out his website at megamaccomputerservices.com, alright?